Imagine a home that doesn't just shelter life, it elevates it. A sanctuary where architecture and nature breathe in harmony, where every surface calms the mind, and where every detail is meticulously crafted to restore the soul. This is not luxury as we know it. This is wellness redefined, a bespoke refuge that transforms living into a holistic experience. Welcome to the future of serene sophistication.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
Our journey begins with the front facade, a bold yet calming presence. Expansive glass surfaces reflect the surrounding greenery, while warm timber panels and vertical gardens merge architecture with nature. A tranquil reflecting pool leads you inward, inspiring stillness before entry. Every material feels intentional, refined, organic, quietly impressive. At twilight, subtle lighting reveals the home's sculptural lines, whispering luxury rather than shouting for attention. This entrance promises not only comfort, but transformation. What serenity awaits beyond these glass doors? Step inside to a living room designed like a modern oasis. Floor-to-ceiling windows erase the line between outdoors and in, flooding the space with uplifting natural light. A living green wall nurtures clean air and calm energy, while plush organic furnishings invite slow, mindful living. Acoustics are fine-tuned for peace, with hidden technologies maintaining ideal wellness conditions. It's more than a living room, it's a daily reset for body and mind. How does this home elevate rest to a lifestyle? The master suite is a personal retreat sculpted for restoration. Soft textures, a low floating bed, and a biophilic palette lull the senses into tranquility. Circadian lighting adapts to the natural rhythm of the day, tuning sleep into a luxurious ritual. A panoramic forest view becomes a living artwork, promoting presence, peace, and effortless relaxation. This is where nights rejuvenate and mornings feel reborn. What does it feel like to wake up in pure harmony? In the wellness kitchen, nourishment begins with design. Sleek cabinetry conceals smart systems, while a marble anwood island feels like a sculptural centerpiece. A built-in herb garden enhances freshness and well-being, while purified air and water ensure every meal uplifts health. Skylights soften the space with daylight, transforming cooking into a sensory pleasure, where function and tranquility share the same plate. Ready to taste the future of mindful living? Ascending to the mezzanine, the home reveals a quiet corner of contemplation. Glass railings allow uninterrupted connection with the main living space, while suspended greenery introduces subtle natural fragrance. Soft seating invites reading, reflection, or meditation. With sunlight cascading from above, this elevated escape becomes a personal sanctuary for mental clarity, right in the heart of the house. Where would you pause to breathe deeply? This spa-inspired bathroom proves that wellness deserves dignity. A deep soaking tub rests beside an indoor bamboo garden, offering a moment of tranquil immersion. Aromatherapy steam infuses the shower, easing tension with every breath. Natural stone textures and soft indirect lighting amplify serenity, while built-in purification systems refresh the air continuously. It's more than hygiene, it's healing. Can cleansing feel like a luxury ritual? Outside, the front yard becomes an arrival experience. A sculpted landscape embraces calming symmetry, curated greenery, soft-edge lighting, and water features that ripple with soothing soundscapes. Nature is not decoration here, it's an essential contributor to well-being. Each step toward the home feels like entering a world intentionally curated for inner peace. How does serenity welcome you home? The rooftop transforms leisure into lifestyle. A panoramic deck offers a place to stretch, meditate, or simply admire the horizon. Hydroponic gardens sustain fresh living greens, while plush seating nurtures slow, starlit conversations. Minimal structures ensure nature's presence remains unobstructed. By nightfall, lantern-like lighting glows softly, turning the rooftop into a celestial sanctuary. Where would you escape without ever leaving home? Even productivity becomes wellness-oriented. The working room is engineered for focus and comfort, ergonomic design, acoustic wood-slat walls, and purified airflow that keeps the mind sharp. Integrated biophilic shelves refresh visual calm, while technology hides gracefully in minimalist lines. It is the ideal balance, performance supported by peace. Imagine working where stress struggles to enter. The backyard is a living spa, curated for renewal. A stone path leads to a natural plunge pool that awakens the body, while a cascading waterfall introduces soothing sound therapy. Lush greenery provides privacy and beauty, illuminated gently by the home's warm architectural glow. Here, every breath is grounding. Every moment, Restorative. This home is more than a masterpiece of design, it is a new definition of luxury, wellness, seamlessly woven into living. A sanctuary crafted to restore balance, elevate comfort, and reconnect us to nature. Here, home becomes harmony, and life becomes its finest expression.